Got a new Google Home speaker as a gift? Here are the first things you should do after you take it out of the box, plug it in, and set it up. All Google Home devices can give you news, sports, and stock market updates with just a simple voice command. Okay Google, what's the news?
Here's the latest news from CNET at 5:27 a.m. today.
This is CNET, and here are the stories that matter right now.
You get to decide where Google gets this information. In the Google Home app, tap the Home icon on the bottom left, then tap the gear icon and scroll to More Settings. Tap the Services tab and then select News. Here you can pick your preferred news sources such as NPR, CNET, and ESPN. Next, you can pick the default music service that your Google Home will use when you ask it to play a song, artist, album, or playlist. In the Services tab, select Music, then pick your preferred service. You can link your Pandora, Deezer, or Spotify accounts too and set them as the default. Okay Google, play house music. The list of voice commands you can give Google Home is constantly growing. Try out these to get started. Okay Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
All right, 2 minutes, starting now.
Hey Google, remember that my passport is in my top desk drawer.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Okay Google, add eggs, avocados, and juice to my shopping list.
Okay, I added those 3 things.
Hey Google, remind me tomorrow at 8 a.m. to grab my umbrella.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Okay Google, what's cooler than cool?
Ice cold. All right.
A routine is a set of actions that happen at a scheduled time or when you give your Google Home a specific voice command. For instance, you can create one that when you say, okay Google, toothbrush timer, your speaker will set a timer for 2 minutes and start playing music. To create a routine, open the Google Home app and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap More Settings. Tap the Assistance tab and select Routines. Now tap the plus sign. Type in the voice command you want to trigger the routine and then pick the actions you want to happen and hit Save. Okay Google, toothbrush timer.
Sure, 2 minutes, starting now.
You don't have to stick with the default voice for your Google Home. To change it, tap Settings, More Settings, Assistant, and then Assistant Voice. Here you can pick from 8 different voices, some more robotic sounding than others.
Here are the voices you can pick for your
Google Assistant.
If you like this voice and want
me to keep using it, just stop here.
Stop here.
Okay Google, what's the weather?
Right now in San Francisco, it's 59 and sunny.
Want to use your Google Home at night but don't want to wake people up with a loud reply? Have it automatically lower the volume after bedtime and raise it in the morning. In the Google Home app, tap your speaker and then tap the gear icon. Scroll down and select Night Mode and toggle it on. Then you can set a schedule for when night mode should start and stop and select the maximum audio volume and maximum brightness for the speaker's lights.